In front of me, we have the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and we're going to be replacing the heart rate monitor in the back here. So this whole back cover, we're going to have to replace that, and I'll walk you through how we do that. To get started, you'll want to get a P5 here, and we got 4 screws. Then we'll heat up the back cover here, and we'll separate it from the adhesive that's holding it down. Then we can separate the back cover and place the new one back on. Let's get started. You have the heat set to 200 degrees Celsius, an airflow of 50. So here's our replacement back cover, and we'll just go ahead and clean up some of this adhesive. If you do mess up the seal, so there's like a gel-like seal here on the bottom, and if that gets messed up as you're taking it off, you could use this adhesive that we have here. It works very well. And just to reiterate, if you want a better seal, or if you do mess up the seal here, go ahead and apply this, and you'll just apply a small amount just along the seal, all the way along. And just make sure you don't put too much here on the corners, so then it doesn't seep in into the springs here, and make that to seize up. Now we do have a second connector up here, and that will have to make sure that you connect it into here. If you're not able to do so from here, so once you connect that and then connect that into there, if you're having a lot of trouble doing so, it could be quite tricky to do so. You could take apart the front of the watch, so pretty much take off the screen, the battery, the vibrator, so the Taptic engine, and you'll be able to have access to this here from up top. So, and as you do so, you can just connect it and then reinstall all the parts. That will just pretty much require taking apart the entire unit though. Well, at least up to the motherboard. You won't have to take out the motherboard for that. And just a side note, so between the Ultra 1 and Ultra 2, physically this back cover, so the actual glass here, is the same, but the heart rate sensor is different between the two models. So you can't use a Ultra 1 heart rate sensor on a Ultra 2 and vice versa. So you do need to have the correct model or it will not work. Alright, so we got it connected right there. And now we will just go ahead and put the 4 screws back in. Again, if you have trouble connecting up that last connector, you could take apart the whole front and do so. And make sure you have these gaskets. So you got those 4 gaskets there. Again, if you want this to be waterproof, do apply the adhesive. Having that gasket there will keep the water out, but putting in the adhesive would really help with that. Alright, and that's how you would repair the back cover on an Apple Watch Ultra 2, or have it replaced if it's not charging for some reason, or the heart rate sensor isn't working, or you cracked it and you need to replace it. That's the procedure you can go through to do so. Again, just to note, Ultra 1, Ultra 2 back covers, this actual ceramic here, or this glass, and this is the same, but the actual heart rate sensor on the inside, the components there are different, and it will not work between different models. So just bear that in mind.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.